Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oi gente, bem-vindo de volta ao meu canal. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got these faux bangs. Super easy, super cute hairstyle for anyone to do. Hoje eu vou criar uma franja falsa com meu cabelo. É muito fácil e ficou muito lindo, gente. If you're trying to decide if you want to get bangs or just want to switch up your look, this is going to be a perfect hairstyle and tutorial for you. So if you guys want to learn more and see how I did these faux bangs, then please keep watching. Alright, so first we're gonna start with our hair down and curly. Comece com um cabelo salto e cacheado. So the only thing you're really going to need for this hairstyle is some bobby pins and some hairspray, which is optional if you want to add a little bit of extra hold. Você vai precisar de grampos e laque para o cabelo. Now what you're going to want to do is just push your hair forward, put your fingers up underneath your hair, and start pushing back until you find where you want your bangs to land. So once you've found where you want your bangs to land, take your bobby pin and start applying them in the hair. Penteie o cabelo para trás e coloque os grampos. This is going to flatten out the hair, so once you push your faux bangs forward, they are going to land on your forehead.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed.
So now you're just going to fluff up the hair just to make a little bit more volume at the top. Criar volume. Just add a touch of hairspray. This is really going to help keep the shape throughout the day. You can leave it down like this, or you can do a quick updo with the bangs. Você também pode fazer estilo updo com uma franja. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. Este é o resultado final. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and just these quick, cute hairstyles with faux bangs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Deixa o seu like. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao!